Hi,
Hello.
hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Finally, we are here.
Yeah. Tell me.
Right, right.
What happened? I just
I
didn't because
seriously
I
don't
was
know.
like I was getting your messages, but it was like
Yeah, yeah. Nee,
okay, no
I
problem.
couldn't
Something.
get you online only. I don't know what happened,
Uh-huh.
but
Okay.
I could see your wife. I think Dipti is your wife, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I could see her video option, but I couldn't see your
Uh-huh.
video option to get you online.
No problem. No problem. We
Yeah,
can start now. That's
yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So sorry guys. Sorry for the delay. You can never, actually rely on technology nowadays. Uh, so any which
Actually, we
ways,
should, but the
but
technology really
it's
messes up many times.
true. It's the other way around
That's the
that
thing.
time. It's the other way around.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, anyways, guys, good evening. Welcome to my show, The Lifestyle Project. And first of all, thank you so much for your overwhelming response that you all gave to the last show. And for people who don't know, I am a lifestyle influencer as well as a lifestyle vlogger. And today we have a very interesting guest with us. That is Mr. Vikram Barwal. And Vikram is lovingly called Barry. So we would be calling him Barry here today. And that is what he is called in this industry or in his known circle. So to tell you a little about Barry sir, basically he's done a lot of Marathi movies. And to name a recent project, that is the Honk Responsibly project done by Maharashtra Police or by Mumbai Police that did really well, exceptionally well, and which got him many awards too. So Barry sir basically is a photographer and a cinematographer. So we'll just ask him to tell a little about himself. Barry sir, can you please?
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah,
Sorry for the delay, by the way.
yeah,
I'm Bikram Barwal, and
right,
I'm into this industry, into photography, cinematography since 20 years now.
great,
And my
right,
working studio is in New Bombay. I'm based very well in New Bombay, and I'm a versatile photographer. Just recently, I got into Marathi films in the production of the film,
great,
and doing well till date.
great.
So.
Great, sir. Barry, sir, the reason why we are doing this show today is because after this
Mhm.
COVID, people are now moving out. People want to
Yeah.
travel because people are so bored. And the first thing
Hmm.
that they want to do is actually share experiences, share memories, either on social media or for themselves, for their own private lives.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
what the first thing that comes to my mind is a camera or a mobile camera, right?
Yeah.
Because mobile to
Yeah.
everybody carries. It's just that you remove
Very
it
true.
from your, yeah, it's just that you remove it from your pocket and you click pictures.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
firstly I would like to start is any tips that you would like to give for mobile photography.
Hmm. Ashwin, actually, the things is photography is nothing but light.
Right.
If light is there, photography is there. And today
True.
I see people there are like instead they don't get into that big SLR cameras carrying into the bags and all those things that they
Right.
dismantle the lens and all those things. So it's
True.
always what they find mobile is very handy to them.
True.
So what my tips for them is learn to read light. That is the
Okay.
first one.
Okay.
Then in your mobile,
Mm-hmm.
never use digital zoom.
Oh, okay. Acha,
If
never
you
use
are
it.
really, if you need to
Okay.
click, say, portrait or any
Okay.
subject, get closer to the portrait or
Mm-hmm.
get back from the subject, whatever. But don't use the digital because that actually,
Okay.
uh, the clarity, you don't get the clarity in digital zoom. In mobiles, I'm talking, in,
Okay.
say, budget wise, suppose if you go for higher end mobile, then of
Right.
course you get a very good quality today. You have many features into it, add-on features, and
Right.
through apps you can like very well create good pictures actually.
Right.
Hmm.
So you mean to say you shouldn't zoom in? That actually creates a problem with the
Yeah,
clarity.
yeah, many times
Many times.
it's
Okay.
better
Okay.
you move on to the object. You take your
Okay.
camera closer to them or far
Right.
from them. Suppose you need to
Okay.
get wider backgrounds and all those things.
Right.
Then
Right.
you need to shift yourself
Okay.
ahead or back, whatever it is. That's the thing.
Acha, you need to
And
physically
always what,
move.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's better you use your, you move on or back to the subject.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, because digital
Right.
zoom actually disturbs the quality of the picture.
Right. Right.
And I always suggest whoever are like beginners, whenever they
Mm-hmm.
use phones, I say use
Okay.
a good app into it.
Okay. Okay.
There are
Acha.
many free apps for
Right.
Android and
Right.
iPhones
Right. Right. Right.
on both platforms.
Right.
There are
Right.
many. Like you
Right.
can use Photolab, Picture
Okay.
Editor, then
Okay.
Prisma,
Right.
then
Right.
Snapseed,
Okay.
Lightroom. These are the
Okay.
apps which are easily available and you can create wonders
Right. Right.
and
So,
easy to go on the go.
okay. Okay. Great. So,
Yeah.
this though is when the sun is there. What about when there is low light? How do we work on that?
Okay. When there is
Yeah.
low light, normally
Mm-hmm.
what we have to see to it that your hand is steadier.
Okay.
Okay, and just see to it that your subject is in
Mm-hmm.
focus. The focus
Acha.
shouldn't be like you shouldn't be clicking blur images.
Okay.
And see, because in normally today, suppose if you go for budget mobile, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to like compromise in many things.
Right.
But still you can like nowadays clicking on mobile and
Mm-hmm.
using it for social media. That up to that it's okay. But you if
Okay.
you have to really enhance your
Mm-hmm.
pictures and you want to really live,
Okay.
you need to add life into your pictures. Then you need to invest into that gadgets.
Okay. So you mean to say
Into proper
you need
gadgets.
to you need to buy a better phone for low light photography.
Yeah, better phone actually
Okay.
not even if you want to buy a budget phone, it can
Uh-huh.
start say up to from 10,000.
Okay.
Okay, and it can go as per as your budget.
Right. Right.
Even it can
Agreed.
go up to like 40, 50, then lakhs. Today,
Right. Right.
iPhone, suppose if you want to buy an iPhone at a topper end,
Right.
it's not less than around 140, 150. So that's
True.
the thing.
True. True. So depends on your requirement, like you as you said.
Exactly, exactly.
Any particular models you would like to comment ki this is good or stay away from this or you could buy
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Mhm. For the startup, what I say is
Mm.
Samsung Galaxy models, few models which
Okay.
start from 7.5
Okay.
thousand and it goes up to say 30, 40,000,
Okay.
which have not that best cameras, but at least
Okay.
you can like click some good pictures out of it by using some
Okay.
apps and all those things. You can make wonder. Say like
Right. Right.
Galaxy M01,
Uh-huh.
M31, Galaxy
Okay.
S20
Great.
FE.
Okay.
Then coming back to other brands, Oppo mobile phones, which
Okay.
starts by say 12,000 range and it ends up to 35 to 40K, like Oppo
Great.
F17, Oppo
Absolutely. Yeah.
Reno 4 Pro. These are
True.
few cameras. And suppose if you are really keen, like you want
Hmm.
that best of best, then what my this thing suggestion is go for iPhone. There's
Okay.
no result what iPhone gives you, you don't get
Okay.
anywhere else.
Okay. So you're an iPhone user yourself?
Yeah, of course. I'm using iPhone
Go-
since I think 7, 8 years now.
Oh
8 years,
man,
almost
goes
8 years.
without saying, huh? Goes
So
without saying.
I'm very happy with it. I'm very
Okay.
happy. And it's
Okay.
like
Okay.
because just recently I updated from my 6S Plus to
Okay.
12 Max Pro.
Oh man. Okay.
So
Okay.
since I bought the iPhone, I don't remember
Mhm.
I've taken my SLR camera out from my dry cabinet. So
Oh,
it's like
oh, okay.
almost 1 month now. I'm clicking
Uh-huh.
only on my iPhone.
On
Of
your
course,
phone.
not
Right.
commercial assignments. We can't go
Absolutely.
on iPhone and all those things. But
Right.
at
Right.
least for our day-to-day, say kid photography, then landscapes, some few
Absolutely.
videos, you can very
Absolutely.
well go on that.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. So I always heard, iPhones were good, but one issue that I face with iPhones is low light photography. Somehow I felt कि low light में the photos that come are not that good. Is that true? Like, do you
No,
feel the same?
uh, in previous model there were some issues, but
Mm.
recently what they have launched that they have taken all these uh, things in consideration, and even
Okay.
low light photography they have given that. ISO speed, then that resolution thing. They have really improved a lot. Technically,
Okay.
they have really made it on go. We can even, I think, last time I clicked some picture and I
Mm-hmm.
blown it in a print format around 2 to 3 feet. That is like a good quality
Okay.
with
Acha.
crystal clear. Means no one can differentiate between a picture clicked by iPhone and a SLR
Uh-huh.
camera. So it's up
Oh,
to that. It's up to that.
okay. It's
So
that
it's
good, you
really
mean
of
to
good
say.
quality. Yeah, yeah, of course, of course,
Okay,
of
great.
course.
Great. So you were talking a little about apps also.
Yeah.
Which you mentioned a few apps, I think. Can you like repeat and explain a little bit on detail?
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Uh,
Android and iPhone have different apps, I guess.
no, apps and
Okay.
Android both have like similar. They have the same. They're like
Okay.
Photo Lab, picture
Okay.
editor, then
Okay.
Prisma,
Acha.
then Snapseed, then
Okay.
Lightroom. These are available on both the platforms. Means you
Acha.
can
They are there on both the
really make
platforms.
your
Okay.
raw image. You
Mm-hmm.
can create wonders out.
Okay. Okay.
And of course, I would not recommend these apps for professional photographer
Okay.
because we have our own software, say Photoshop or Lightroom, what
Acha.
we use professionally. Because on
Okay.
that,
Okay.
you really need to learn that software. But these
Acha.
apps, free apps, normally these are easy to like. You can anyone can just have some R&D and they can make enhance their pictures. That's what I can say about these apps.
Okay. I get you.
Commercially, you can't make that use of that.
Okay, so basically, if you're really serious, then you need to have these paid apps, you mean to say, or the softwares, maybe.
Yeah, paid softwares, I would say. No apps, I'll
Okay,
say
okay,
softwares. Because of
okay,
course, those carries that heavy file size and all those things. And you should
right,
even have that input what you are giving to that. That
okay,
has to be of good quality.
okay,
That makes a difference. Yeah.
okay. Which one were those? The
Uh,
paid one,
the
the softwares.
paid one actually Photoshop, then
Okay,
Lightroom.
okay. Lightroom I have
There are
used
many
on the
more
phone
actually.
also. Lightroom I have used on the
Yeah,
phone
because
also.
Photoshop and
Yeah,
these are the
yeah.
universal software which are used all over the world actually.
Right, right.
Lightroom, this it's those are really good softwares.
Lightroom
Very
does
good.
really well. Lightroom does really well.
That is very good.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's very good.
Right.
No doubt.
So, Barry sir, what about DSLRs? Because nowadays, what I see, every second person
Mhm.
has a DSLR. You go
Yeah.
out, especially on picnics or whatever, or even on weekends, if you
Mhm.
see, you'll
Mhm.
see many people in the garden or maybe on the beaches when you go out for holidays. Everybody
Mhm.
has a small camera or a DSLR with them
Mhm.
कि वो निकालते
Mhm.
हैं and then they capture it for whatever purposes.
Exactly.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what are the starting ranges of the, as in money wise, what do they start with?
Uh,
What amount?
yeah. Ashwin, if
Uh,
really if someone is very passionate about photography and they really
okay.
want to invest in good camera, I would suggest go for the beginner range. In
Okay.
Canon, there is EOS 1500D, which is a very good camera.
Okay.
Then Canon EOS 3000D.
Okay.
Then if seeing in Nikon D3500,
Okay.
those are in this camera you can buy say around 25 in between 25 to 35K.
Okay. These
Then
are like
those
the
are
starting
like
range.
SLR.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the starting range. And suppose if
Okay.
you want to say invest into say mid range somewhere, then
Okay.
you can go for Canon EOS 850D.
Okay. Okay.
And nowadays even mirrorless cameras are available in the
Oh,
market,
right.
which
Yes.
are
Yes.
really doing well. And I think tomorrow's future is mirrorless camera.
Acha.
So in
Even I
that
think
R5,
Motorola.
R6,
Yeah. Acha. Sorry. Tell me.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so suppose if we talk about mirrorless camera, then recently launches of Canon are R5, then
Right.
R6, but those are at a higher end, say
Okay.
around 3 to 4 lakhs. If you
Oh
want
man.
to
Okay.
invest into
Okay.
that, then those
Okay.
cameras are of that range.
Okay. So,
But Ashwin,
huh.
what I say, Ashwin, what I have seen, because whenever
Mhm.
I some students come to me and they ask me, sir, I need to buy a camera, even
Right.
beginners. So
Uh-huh.
they are very passionate. "Arey, I need to buy a good camera. I will click pictures of my girlfriend. Click pictures of my family, my kids,
Right.
and all those things. And
Right.
they start with a very good this thing. And after a
Uh-huh.
month, I come to know ki I asked them, "Arey, why you are not showing your pictures and all? What happened?" No, sir.
Huh.
Now, right now, I am very busy with some other thing. Well, other
Okay.
thing in the thing. No, I have kept the. Then what about camera? No, I'm
Uh-huh.
planning to sell the camera off. I don't know why. Because the thing is, Ashwin, today
Mhm.
mobile is everything for everyone. And
True, true.
what I say is, suppose if you are really not that serious about photography and all those things, better you buy a good mobile phone where
Okay.
you will it's like you can even talk and then everything you can do on your phone, and even if you
Right.
want you can click pictures, so
True, true, true.
that's my personal unnecessary not to invest 35 to 40K in
Right,
camera just for a month, and after that
right,
the camera is nowhere,
right,
it's gone.
right. So basically, it's a all-in-one unit, all-in-one gadget that
Yeah,
the
exactly,
phone. Yeah,
exactly,
yeah, makes sense.
exactly,
I
exactly.
completely agree to that. And one more
Yeah.
thing that I noticed, Barry sir, is
Hmm.
you always mentioned Canon. Any specific liking for Canon that you have?
Actually, previously means say 10-15 years back, I used to had
Mhm.
Nikon camera. But
Okay,
what I found in Canon is those are very user-friendly cameras. It's easy to
okay.
use. We can like on fingertips, you can like just swipe, and that is like I'm comfortable with Canon. So
Acha,
it might
okay.
not be the case with other photographers, but professionally, if you
Right.
see all over the world, Canon is the brand where all professional
Okay.
photographers are stuck to it. That's the thing,
Acha, acha. Is it
and they
user
are really
friendly
doing
like
well.
Canon?
All
Okay,
user friendly means the technical things. What we can think is like, suppose if
okay.
we have to change the settings and all that, it is very user. You can
Mhm.
easily in a day or two you can have the hold on the camera. That's the
Oh,
thing.
great.
You need not have to
Okay.
search for अरे ये setting में ये कहाँ है वो कहाँ है. It's
बराबर,
that
बराबर.
easy.
So it's easy to
And
adapt to
one
that
more,
camera.
yeah, anyone
Okay,
can. So say a
okay.
small R&D and you can like easily get onto it. That's the thing.
Great. Okay,
And
okay,
Canon cameras are like very user friendly. That's the one thing. And
okay.
second is even while servicing,
Mm-hmm.
suppose if you even a single button भी अगर कुछ गया उसका खराब हो गया तो you can easily go and replace it. But in Nikon you
Okay.
have to change the whole panel.
Oh, okay.
So
I didn't know this.
that's the thing. That's
This
the
that's
thing.
the catch, huh?
Because Canon that, yeah.
Okay, okay. And any specific place where we should go and buy these cameras? Because these are obviously
Uh,
expensive ones. And there are many shops in
uh,
Fort also who sell cameras. Or like, what is your suggestion? Like, where to buy them from?
you can buy going in the even from the shops you can buy so that you have the feel of the camera, because many times
Okay.
what happen once you go to
Mm-hmm.
buy the camera, of course it's box packed, they don't keep any
Right, right.
pieces in demo and all those things. So you have to
True.
first make your R&D, say on YouTube or something like that, what camera is best for your use,
Right.
and then either even you can buy it online on
Mm-hmm.
Amazon Prime products and all those things. So you can
Okay.
anytime buy it. So that's not a problem, because
Okay.
in shop just what the thing is, you can bargain, because our Indian mentality is such, unless and until अरे भैया जी थोड़ा discount दे दो, वो typical वाला जो एक mindset होता है ना.
Right,
So
right.
if
Agree.
you want to enjoy that, then
तो
you
फिर
can go and buy
दुकान
in
में
the
जाओ.
shop.
Right.
Specifically, even
Okay.
today there are many offers in Reliance, Chroma.
Right, right, right.
So say festival offers होते हैं 10%, 20% discount.
बराबर.
So I think you
दिवाली का
should
गया.
watch
Right.
for such opportunities and then go and
Hmm.
buy the camera
Right,
or
true.
any gadget, whatever you want to.
Right. Like homework कर लो पहले and then buy it from wherever you want to.
Exactly, exactly. You should do homework, whatever you want to
Right.
buy, whatever you
True,
want to
true.
buy.
Accepted, sir. Accepted. Very, very good point there. And what
Yeah.
about the repairs? Where should we get the cameras repaired? क्योंकि मेरे पास खुद के पास एक कैमरा
Uh,
पड़ा हुआ है and I don't
hmm.
know, really don't know where to repair it. Like DSLR है.
What I suggest, Ashwin,
हम्म.
yeah, what I suggest, Ashwin, is better you go in proper service center. Suppose if you have a
अच्छा.
Nikon camera, go to Nikon
Okay.
service center. If you have a
Okay.
Canon, go to Canon service center. And those are
Okay.
everywhere. Means proper
Okay.
अगर मुंबई में बात करते हैं, मुंबई में अंधेरी में है, तो
Okay.
it's like city, हर city, major city में उनके service centers है. Because I don't
बराबर.
recommend unless and until you know the repairer properly.
Right.
And in Canon, they properly take the care that they
Mhm.
open the camera in isolated rooms where the
Right.
dust
Right.
doesn't goes in. But
Right.
each and everywhere they don't take care. You know, a small repairer,
True.
he will open it anywhere, he will handle it anywhere. So there are chances that mishandling may happen. So it's
Okay.
better, I
Okay.
suggest, go to proper service center. Of course
Acha.
they will be a bit higher at their charges, but I think
Right.
after all, whenever you spend into some gadget, I think you should
True.
have that this thing, you know.
Absolutely, absolutely. As in, the same thing goes with phones, I guess. As you take it to a authorized service center,
Oh, of course, of course,
yeah,
of
yeah,
course,
because
of course.
parts being replaced also happens. The good
Yeah,
parts are
because
taken out,
nowadays
and
normally,
yeah,
whatever gadgets you buy, normally we have 2 years warranty nowadays.
true, true, true.
And after every 1.5 1 year 6 months, you get some other update to that camera or that
True.
phone. So even if
Right.
nowadays I don't see that someone, if buys a phone, say around
Hmm.
30 40, he might be using it max to max 1 year 2 year. After that
Right.
he buys some other model. So that's the thing, I think better.
True, true, true. Barry sir, what about for people who want to take this as a passion versus people who want to do it professionally, as in photography, according to you? What do
Mhm.
you suggest to them?
What I suggest is, suppose if someone is really passionate about photography, say by heart, he
Okay.
really want to take it as a I what my suggestion is, join
Hmm.
some good institute
Okay.
where you will learn the basics of photography. And
Okay.
once you join some institute, then you will automatically come to know how you can handle the camera, how you have to, like, what is shutter speed, what is diaphragm,
Acha. Okay.
or what
Okay.
is aperture, what is
Acha.
ISO. These are the basic things which
Okay.
you need someone to teach you properly. And of course, practical knowledge is more important. The thing,
Right. Right.
how much you operate the camera, you learn
Hmm.
more. That's it.
Right. Okay. Whatever you said
So
was all
my
Greek and
suggestion is,
Latin to me.
yeah,
It just went on top.
yeah. No, because
Right.
it happened, because
Yes.
once you join some institute, of course, it
Hmm.
starts from uh, the theory knowledge actually.
Okay.
In
Okay.
that you come to know how to compose your picture, what is
Right.
grid.
Right.
These
Okay.
all are technical things what you come to know when you
Right.
get into it.
Right. Right.
And once, if someone is really passionate,
Hmm.
he goes, he surveys, he does some R&D on net and all those things. Then if he really
Right.
think, no, I should assist someone, or I should go through some institute, then he
Okay.
approaches that. So that is the
Okay.
right way as per as my this thing.
Okay. Any specific institutes where people can do these kind of courses?
There are many. Suppose if you want to do some masters in photography, as
Hmm.
I have done GD art from LS Raheja School of Art.
Oh,
So
okay.
masters photography, what we get is in Raheja College, Worli. It's a private institute, but they really offer good master courses.
Okay.
And then one, two, three more are there. Say National Institute of Photography.
Okay.
They have some crash courses, 3 months,
Acha.
6 months.
Okay.
Then one more is Udan School of Photography.
Okay.
All are Bombay based. All are
Acha.
Bombay
All
based,
are
and they
Bombay based.
have their branches. Yeah, all are Bombay based, and they have their
Okay.
branches in Delhi. Then
Okay.
depend. They have
Okay.
their sub branches. So you can very well approach this. These are very good institute, and
Okay.
they are not that expensive.
Okay.
So it's okay.
Great. So, like these courses range from like what, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or how does it go?
This, yeah, it depends that whether you want to, how serious you are in taking the course. Suppose if you
Okay.
want to take this courses as like masters or diploma, then
Okay.
say after 10th or after 12th, you can
Hmm.
just approach this institutes, and those are like 2 years, 3 years, some are 1 month.
Acha.
Crash courses are like 1 month, 2 month, 3 months,
Okay.
so
So, is
twice
there
in a
like a
week.
degree also? Do you get a
Yeah, of
degree in
course, of course.
photography? Oh, okay. Okay.
It's a degree of total 5 years, foundation plus 4 years after 12th.
Oh, superb.
In that
Okay.
you get a master's degree.
Acha.
You get a degree with specialization of photography, what I did.
Okay.
And then crash courses are anytime there for this National Institute. They have 3 months, 6 months courses.
Okay.
And suppose if someone like someone is working somewhere, for them
Mm-hmm.
even Saturday, Sundays are also there.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Great for
And
working
what
individuals.
I see, Ashwin, yeah,
Hmm.
what I think is, Ashwin, photography, you can take it as a second earning source.
Acha, okay.
Because today
True.
today I've seen that लोगों के income source दिन ब दिन कम होते जा रहा है, and they are like in search of some new earning sources. So
Yeah,
what I
absolutely.
suggest is everyone should at least have a basic course in
Right,
photography,
right.
where you can like do some, you can start with a small function, small events, birthday
Okay.
parties. I don't say that go in search of clients, and in your friend
Hmm.
circle,
Right,
where
right.
it will be, even he will be happy to, अरे यार तू खुद शूट कर रहा है, वेरी गुड यार, लेट्स डू इट, चलो करते हैं, टाइम
Right,
पास भी
right.
हो जाएगा और एक थोड़ा
हाँ,
बहुत ये भी तो, it
अंदर
depends
से आना चाहिए मतलब.
what is, yeah, what is your approach, it depends on
Right,
that.
right. True. So, Barry sir, as you see, there are many kinds of photography that is there in the market. Like you see candid
Mhm.
photography, or there was this fashion in between wherein you have pre-wedding shoots, pre-wedding
Mhm.
videos.
That is the boom nowadays, that is the
Yeah,
boom
exactly,
nowadays.
exactly. Everybody is
Yeah,
doing it. Like I see, like
everyone, one of my doctor friend is also started doing pre-wedding shoot.
he, as in he's clicking.
Doctor friend,
Oh
he's
man,
a
okay.
dentist,
Very, very good.
and he learned photography from me, and
Acha.
now say 4 days he will practice, and
Hmm.
2 days he is like shooting somewhere in Goa, then he goes to Lonavala, then Lavasa. Wow, good. So he is
So
like
you have
very serious, he's
competition.
saying why. No, but that's a good, always it's always, I what I say is, it's always better that जितने लोग ready हो उतना अच्छा है,
अच्छा,
because
जितने लोग
nowadays
ज्यादा हो.
it's like a open platform यार. Even if I don't teach anyone, someone उन लोग
Right,
online भी
right,
देखे, because I know that even today I have an tendency of learning
right.
online हो. I am always like, I believe in updating myself कि नया क्या है
Absolutely.
कैमरे में, अरे इसने ये किया, तो that age is not a limitation, like अभी एज हो गया है तो not to learn these things, so it's
Right.
like it's a
Right.
open this thing है.
I think there's one question also by Sonal Parag Kamath asking any age limit for these
हाँ हाँ.
courses. तो ऐसे कोई एज लिमिट है
No,
आपको
nothing
आपके हिसाब
such.
से? नहीं ना? ओके.
That's what I'm saying ना, there is no age for learning, there is
That
no
is true.
age for
That is
learning.
true.
If someone is really interested, even he can start learning at the age of 60. That's my this
Absolutely.
thing. So yeah, there is no
It's
age
never
for
to
learning,
never.
boss.
True,
Exactly,
true, true.
exactly.
Right. So, Barry sir, any take-home message from you for all of us
Take home
photographers?
message.
Right.
Uh-huh. Okay. Actually, what I say, I don't let the COVID-19 situation not stop you from doing anything.
True,
Just
true.
take it as if it was a break, and now you can start in a fresh way.
Right.
Great time to expand your skills
True.
and see what hidden talent you have inside. You need to
Absolutely.
really explore it
Right.
and learn as much as you can in your way. Actually, there are many social media, there are many YouTube, you can go through videos and all this, and you can
True,
learn
true.
many things. There is like
Right.
whole world in front of you, actually, on your say
Absolutely.
mobile, if you say. So there is nothing, I think this is the way, what these are, this is my, you can vision
Opinion.
what you can like go through,
Right,
yeah,
right.
opinion.
Absolutely.
That's the thing.
Uh, as in whatever you do, if it's photography, do it. Now is the time because you never know what happens tomorrow. So live your life
Yeah,
is what you
exactly,
want to say.
exactly,
Right,
exactly.
right. Absolutely, sir. I agree to that. Thanks a lot, Barry, sir. It was so nice having you here on the show, and hopefully we
It's
could. Yeah, tell me.
it's a pleasure, actually, and
Right,
I would like to really thanks Ashwin, to you and your
right.
team of Unidad for
Thank you.
getting me here. It's a pleasure,
Absolutely.
and thanks a lot to all viewers, whoever are online.
Right.
And sorry again for the delay, because some technical issues were there,
No,
but
that's
that's
okay.
okay. But I
That's
think it
okay.
was a very fruitful discussion, whatever we had, and
Absolutely.
I hope I'd been like I'm anytime ready to get back to the platform
Absolutely. I was
with
just
some
coming to
other
that.
subject, because
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I was just
So
coming to
that's
that.
a pleasure actually. My
Right.
pleasure.
Thanks a lot, Barry sir. Lovely having you here. Thank you again.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. And
Thank you.
goodbye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot, guys. Thank you for watching us, and do tune in every Friday at 7 p.m. because next Friday I would be here live on this show, and there's an interesting guest. So find out, watch this space for more. And thanks a lot, Unidad, too, for giving me this opportunity time and again and trusting me over this. And don't forget, guys, the inspiration lives in you. See you guys. Have a rocking weekend. Take care. Bye bye.